This video was made possible by Frisbee Memorial Hospital, providing quality healthcare services to Greater Rochester for over 100 years.
In Rochester, New Hampshire, there's always something new to discover. Explore the culture and cuisine of our bustling downtown, or strike out into nature and be awed by our sweeping panoramic vistas. Rochester has it all. Our famous annual fair draws thousands of tourists who come back year after year for the rides, thrills, and delectable food. Dive into our thriving art scene and catch a show at our iconic Opera House, or lose yourself in the visual splendors on display at the Rochester Museum of Fine Arts. Head downtown to the lively heart of Rochester and spend the day boutique shopping and fine dining. Residents of Rochester enjoy a high quality of life with easy access to the Spalding Turnpike, Interstate 95, and airports in Portsmouth, Boston, Manchester, and Portland. You're never far from your next destination. Rochester is rich in history, having risen to the national stage with the Industrial Revolution and mechanized manufacturing. Today, the city enjoys a healthy economy with a rapidly growing high-tech and composite manufacturing sector. And of course, you can't think New Hampshire without thinking of the great outdoors. Covering over 40 square miles of gorgeous rolling hills, Rochester offers endless opportunities for outdoor recreation. For the winter sports enthusiast, the White Mountains feature a world of premier skiing right in Rochester's backyard. It's no wonder people love the convenient, affordable, and proud community of Rochester. Come see why at rochesternh.org.